In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious strawberry spinach salad recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of baby spinach, 8 strawberries sliced, a 1/4 cup of red onion, 2 tablespoons of feta cheese, 2 tablespoons of pecans chopped, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. In a bowl, start by combining the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and the honey, and mix until completely combined. Set this mixture aside for later. Lay the baby spinach on a plate. Over the spinach, add half of the strawberries. Red onions, feta cheese, add the remaining half of the strawberries, and the pecans. Drizzle this with the sauce we made earlier. Our strawberry spinach salad is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy!